Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this Sopiguard product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Today we are going to be installing, huge shout out, Sopiguard, the 3M gloss yellow skin for my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. I will be leaving a link down below in the description area. When you hit that link, it will send you on over to the Sopiguard website. And I'm going to tell you right now, man, there's a lot to choose from, whether it's patterns, designs, textures, colors. It's all there. Go shopping. Give your S24 Ultra that little bit of extra some. Now, in this very nice packaging, this envelope over here that has the Sopiguard brand name, you get a microcloth that says Sopiguard. And you get the skin. This specific skin, the 3M Gloss Yellow 12 smacks. And for those of you that don't know what smacks means, that's dollars. I provided my own little rubber pad here and an alcohol prep wipe. We will be using a blow dryer, and that is to heat up the adhesive on the back of the skin. When you use a blow dryer, you want to constantly move it around. You don't want the heat to sit in one specific area of your device. It's going to damage the skin, but more importantly, it's going to damage your phone. So constantly move the blow dryer around so you don't damage your S24 Ultra. Again, you're just heating up the adhesive on the back of the skin so it adheres, so it sticks really well to your smartphone.
Now what I'm going to do is speed up the video a little bit, turn up the music so you can enjoy the install process. And in the end, we'll get a good look at what the 3M Gloss Yellow skin looks like on my S24 Ultra. And then I'm going to put on the UAG Plyo Pro case with clear see-through back so we can see that beautiful skin. You don't want to hide it. What's the purpose of applying a skin if you're going to hide it? This case right here is going to help push up against the skin so it adheres, so it sticks to the back of my S24 Ultra. And at the same time, protect my investment.
I gotta tell you, that right there is bold and sexy, all in one. That's the extra some that I was talking about. Just look at that shine. Look at that gloss. That right there is beautiful. Now, the reason I don't use top, bottom, and side skin strips is because I review a lot of cases. I'm putting them on, taking them off. It's a constant, and eventually it's going to peel those top, bottom, and side skin strips. So I just don't do it. In the past, I've done it, and that's what ends up happening. For those of you that are going to put on the skin and go ahead and decide to put the top, bottom, and side skin strips and only use one case, and maybe every once in a while you're taking off that case to clean it, and I would say be very patient, take it off slowly so you don't peel up those extra pieces of skin. Yeah, you shouldn't have any issue, but for me, it ends up being an issue. But anyway, that looks really, really good. Huge shout out, Sopiguard. I'm going to put on the UAG case here. I'm going to give a little wipe down on the inside. Oh, wow. Yeah, that right there is beautiful. That's tough. Slick. Filthy. That see-through back, pushing up against the skin to help it stick to your S24 Ultra, and at the same time getting the protection that you need for your S24 Ultra with the UAG Plyo Pro. Got that green color with the yellow skin. Wow. A lot of eyeballs are going to be staring 12 smacks to give it a little extra some. Once again, huge shout out Sopiguard. If you have any questions, folks, please ask down below in the comment section. Again, hit that link, go over to the Sopiguard website, and just check out all the different patterns, designs, colors, textures. This one right here, it's killing it. It's killing it. Wow. With that being said, thanks for watching. God bless you all. For those of you that just came on by to check out the channel, hopefully you enjoyed this video. There's more like it. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and stay tuned for more here on Team My Project 13. God bless you all. Stay safe and healthy. Peace. I am out.